So here is the Shein affiliate program tutorial. First of all, you need to go ahead and open up the Shein application on your phone. So tap on the app to open it. And once you're in, you will get to see an interface like this. On the main dashboard, you will get to see some options on the bottom panel. Tap on Me on the bottom right corner. After that, make sure that you're logged into your account. If you're not, then sign in or sign up. So since we're logged in, let's go back to the home screen. Over here, tap on the search bar on the top. After that, you need to search for affiliate over here. Once you search for it, you'll be taken to the affiliate program page on Shein. If you're not logged in, you will get to see a different interface, and you will need to sign up by verifying your phone number. Also, as a joining bonus, you will get $2, and as you can see, I've already received it, and it will be visible here on the available balance section. After that, you can view your referral code right over here under earnings record. So you can copy the code from here and share it with your friends in order to get extra benefits. Just tap on the copy option and it will be copied to your clipboard. After that, we have options like data center, bestseller, and then we have my items. So first, let's check out the data center. Once you select data center, you'll be taken to this page. Here, you can view different metrics such as link clicks, code clicks, order users, and more. You can also scroll through the options on the top to view the data for certain days. And as you can see, the graph is changing accordingly. You can also view the graph by day, by week, and by month. You will also get some performance visuals under Creative Performance. Now, let's go back to the previous page. And from this screen, let's go ahead and tap on Bestseller to check it out. You will then be taken to this page over here. You will be able to view all the bestsellers on Shein. Scroll through the items, and as you can see, under each product, there is an amount that you can earn. For example, the price for this is $18.89, and you can earn up to $3.78. So let's tap on Earn. On this page, you'll be able to view this referral link that you can copy and share. You can also share it to any of these platforms directly from here. You can select the copy link option if you want to copy it directly. Now, let's go back to the previous page. Over here, you can scroll through the items and check them out. And then on the top, you'll be able to view all of these categories available. You can scroll through them and select whichever one that you want. For example, shoes. And as you can see, all the shoes under bestseller is here. And if you want to know more details, you can check out the rules by tapping on the rules option. Now, let's go back to the previous page. And once you're here on the affiliate program page, go ahead and tap on My Items. You will then be taken to this page right here. We currently don't have any items picked. So in order to do that, tap on Go to Pick Item. You will then be taken to this page under Campaign. You can scroll through the campaign offers and select whichever one that you want. For example, this one, 60% off coupon for new users. If you tap on it, you'll be able to view a share link dedicated just for you. You can also copy the share code and share it directly. Then you can copy share images. After that, we have the share message option. Then tap on Share to Earn on the bottom. That way, you'll be able to see all the options available to share it. Then, we have the product section right beside campaign. Tap on it and you'll be able to view different products that you can promote. From this page, scroll through the items and pick whichever one that you want. You can also scroll through the categories and select whichever one that you want and choose the item from there. So on this page, just scroll through and check out the products. If you like something, for example this one, tap on it. You will then be taken to this page from where you can copy the share message or share link. Or you can tap on Share to Earn on the bottom, and you can earn up to the specified amount. Now, let's go back to the previous page. Here, scroll up to the top, and you will get to see a profile icon on the top right. Tap on it. On this page, you'll be able to view your referral code, and then there's an option to convert link. So tap on Convert Link. Over here, you can convert any Shein product links into your affiliate link. For that, let's go back to the home screen. And once you're here, scroll through and select any product that you want. For example, this one right here. Then tap on the share icon on the top. You will then get to see this option. From here, select Copy Link. Now, let's go back. From the home screen, tap on the search bar on the top once again and search for affiliate. So as you can see, we're back in the affiliate program page. Tap on the profile icon on the top right again. From here, tap on Convert Link. Now, just tap and hold on the box and paste the link that you just copied. After that, tap on Confirm. You will then get an affiliate link for the product just like this. From here, you can tap on Copy or use any of these options below to share the link. This way, you can get a customized link for any product on Shein. And that's it. That is the Shein affiliate program tutorial.